Hey guys, welcome back once again to Peak Farming Academy. We just finished our classes right now, so I had to come back to continue with the project. Like I told you guys in the previous video that I was working on the responsive design phase where I had to check if the site is going to, you know, align with other gadgets like the phone, iPad, and the rest because I coded the design with a laptop, right? So this is it. Let me show you guys the laptop design phase. This is the code here. So this is the laptop design phase. This was where I coded it. Farm track, this, that. Benefit, let me show you. Okay, so after designing on a laptop, I had to code it so that it would align with other gadgets. That's what this is for. So this Samsung Galaxy S20. You can see how it's going to appear. That was what I was working on. This is layout. That's what this query section was about. The media section. You can see the media section. That was what I was working on here. That's the CSS. I was done with the HTML. So that's it again. Then you can check other gadgets. Let's go to iPhone. Let's go to iPhone 14 Pro Max. This is it. I checked all the medias. This is iPhone SE. It's aligned. Previously it was cutting out, it was bad, everything. Just like I told you guys, we get better with time. It's just time is going to take. As long as we keep on practicing and working on our skills and everything, we'll get better. So this is Samsung Galaxy S8. Then this is iPad Air. You can see responsiveness. Okay, iPad Pro. You can see how it fits in. That's most of these gadgets are now big gadgets, big size gadgets. So that's it. So moving to the next phase. After this responsive gadgets phase, I'll move into the next phase. Just like I told you guys, please subscribe to my amazing channel, my amazing channel, P Farming Academy, to get updates of this journey, everything I'm going to keep on dropping the documentary on this journey. Okay, I told you guys that the sole aim is to be able to create a software application that will enable pig farmers to manage their farmers in general to manage their activities effectively. Because I've come to realize from my experience in the pig farming world that farmers struggle to keep records of the activities, the vaccination programs, the breeding records, the feeding records. That is why I've decided to embark on this journey. Okay, so when I'm done with this, it's going to serve a huge purpose for the farming community. So I'm going to document the journey on Pig Farming Academy YouTube channel. So make sure you follow us. Also, I published a book titled The Pig Farmer's Journey, right? So I'll be dropping the link also, the link of this amazing book in the description box of this video. So make sure you get a copy and read because that book is not just a random pig farming book. I taught pig farming in that book from the aspect of someone that knows it, that has done it. Okay, I equally told this story behind how I managed to start up at a young stage. So, guys, read the book. If you don't know how to get the book through the link I'll drop in the description box of this video, I'm going to call my number right away so that you can make use of my number 080 588 11642. You can send me a message via WhatsApp, then we'll get it going. Mind you, this is just a test layout. We're just trying to check our understanding of the code language, the HTML and everything. So we'll get to keep on improving as we learn more languages, the JavaScript, React, everything, Node, everything. As we keep on learning more languages, so we get better. So guys, I'm going to keep you updated. So please, thank you very much for listening and equally being a part of this journey. I really appreciate. God bless you.